Hello everyone, today we're going to see how we can direct link on Google Ads. Everybody that works with Google realized their politics. So it's been really hard to direct link on Google Ads, but we still can promote offers, affiliate offers via direct linking. We just have to do one thing that I'm going to show you, so pay close attention to this video. Already hit the like button and subscribe so that we can continue making these videos. First, what we have to do is find an offer. In the last video I showed you 7 affiliate platforms that we can find different offers. After we find this offer, we're going to see which is the URL that the owner of the offer is sending his customers, and we will check if other people are advertising to that offer on Google Ads. I'm going to show you a website that you can see if those URLs are being promoted, and later on I'll make a video teaching you how to set up, how to build up your campaign. So we're here on ClickBank and we will find an offer. You can click on top offers, or you can search by any specific offer that you want to see if there are ads being promoted on Google Ads to that offer. Let's go here in e-business, e-marketing. Let's find an offer that we want to promote. Let's see this one, promote. Here you're going to put your nickname account and you're going to create hop link. After you create your hop link, you're going to copy this URL, paste it, hit enter. After you hit enter, it will show you this final URL that is the landing page of the owner of this course. So what we're going to do with this landing page, we're going to go to a website called iSearch.com. If you are already in the United States, you don't need to do that. I'm going to use iSearch.com so that I can simulate as if I am in the United States. So I'm going to put it here, United States, language English. This site will work whether you are outside of United States, everywhere else. Then we are going to put here the name of the training. So here's the name of the owner of the course, Marilyn Holmes. Let's see if someone is using this URL to promote on Google Ads. learn.thefasttracks.com, Marilyn Holmes. So we can see that there are some results here. Video review, it's talking about the course, but still no ads. The fast tracks, click now. This is not the URL we're searching for. This is probably a URL from an affiliate. At first we don't see the URL of the producer being used. This one also is from affiliates. This one too, official site by. We're looking to see this URL, learnthefasttracks.com. So as you can see, I didn't find the URL of the owner of the course here, and this is not a good sign. Maybe this site is not accepted by Google Ads. Let's see another offer and I will try to show you one that is working. So here's another offer, Scribble. Let's hit promote. You will put your nickname account, create hop link, copy and paste. After you paste and hit enter, you are going to see the final URL. So it's Scribble.com. I will search here for Scribble. As you can see, I have already found the owner of the offer URL is being used in this sponsored ad. It means that if you advertise with Google Ads using this final URL, probably Google Ads is going to accept your ad and it's going to be okay. You're not going to get your account suspended or anything like that. So this is everything you have to do. If you are already in the United States, everything you need to do is go to google.com, search for the name of your offer and see if the URL of the owner of the offer is being used in Google Ads, and if it is already being used, probably you will be fine by creating your campaigns in Google Ads. If you want to start affiliate marketing the easiest way, I'm going to leave down in the description of this video a link that you can watch a free video explaining you everything you need to know to start in affiliate marketing. I'll see you next time.